Hello! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Our lesson today is how to install three motors that are same time controlled by one start-stop stations. If one overload device trips, all three motors will stop running. This kind of control we need auxiliary contacts used for automatic sequence. I mounted already the all electrical parts, one basic control circuit. I will continue and show you step by step how to make drawing and before we are going to wiring installation. Alright? Okay. Station, this is our basic control circuit diagram. Our supply here and this is stop button normally close and start button normally open. This is our auxiliary contact normally open from M1. So when you start this button here, the circuit flows to M1 and M1 is energized. When this one is energized, this M1 normally open will close contact to hold the for holding coil. And this our three overload here because this is we have three motors. We need three motors magnetic contactor. Each magnetic contactor we have one overload. So we need this 1, 2, 3. So we need three magnetic contactors here. So we need additional more magnetic contactor here. We need two more. Let me explain to you here first. This is our circuit breakers, three phase for motor supply and three contactors for three motors, and this single phase breaker for our control circuit. And this our M1, motor 1, motor 2, and motor 3, our example motor. I use only 2 wire because we don't have 3-phase supply. So I connect already the supply here, connect jumper to the motor, so that we are going to wiring, control wiring only. This is our start button, stop button, emergency stop. We need emergency stop now because this kind of design is mostly used in automation machine. We need that emergency stop when the operator is far away. You don't need to run to the control panel and press that button. So this one mounted all around the machine. And this is our green light, motor on, and indicator light is showing motor stop, and we have yellow light used for indicator light overload when motor is overload, right? So before we are going to wire this, connect this wiring here, we need to continue to make circuit diagram, right? Now when the power is on, circuit flows to until here only. When it start, our power circuit flows to M1, and this one here change to close contact, and this is for auxiliary contact, holding contact for M1. So when this one M1 energized, we need our green light here. All right, motor on, right? So motor is on, motor is running. We need one contactor. It's running. We need one more motor starter. So we need one connect here again because this one circuit. We're gonna put one more motor here. Motor M2. When this one energized, the circuit flows to M1, motor on, and magnetic contactor energized also. So when this one energized, the normally open for this contact, we need one more circuit here. is normally open M2. Right? So when you start button, this one contact, M1 energized, showing motor on, the circuit flows to M2, normally open contact close also, and M3 is running. So all this running now. When you press stop button, is open. This motor M1, the energized back here, is open. So all this motor is, three motor is stop running again. So now we need indicator light. We additional indicator light showing motor is stop. So we need one circuit here. Okay. This circuit here is normally closed. Normally close M1. M1, this is auxiliary contact. And then, so this is red light, motor stop. Motor stop. So when this one is stop button, this open, this M1 stop running, the auxiliary control normally open, this green light is disabled. All this motor is disabled, so no power, de-energized. Now, because the power circuit goes through here, flows to M1 normally close, and go to flow to indicator light, motor stop, showing motor stop here. So next one, when you start button again, press start button again. This one again, motor energized. This M1 normally open here, close contact. So green light enable, light on, showing motor on. M2 energized, and the normally open to also change contact to close, and M3 is running. So when this running, this one is closed, this one will change to open contact, and the light here is disabled, and motor is running. Each magnetic contactor have one normally closed overload. So 1, 2, 3. So this is for 1. So we need 3 overload also. We use that for our overload indicator light. Okay. So we need one circuit here. This is for, I'm gonna run one more circuit here. This is for yellow. Motor overload. Motor overload indicator light. So we have 3 motors. That's why we need this one only one. So how we gonna connect so that any one of that overload, let's say M3 strip, we get the power here. So how to connect? You cannot connect same like that series. Connect to parallel. All of that. Okay. So what we gonna do? This one here, we will make this one here normally open here and normally open here. We will connect this one here, jumper to jumper, and jumper here, and jumper here, connect to here and here. So this side is 97. Okay. This side is 97, this side is 98. Alright? Alright. This M1 is trip, open here. Our magnetic M1 is overload, open. The circuit is disabled. So motor is stop, And this M1 overload is open. Our M1 overload is close now, close here. So the power flows to over here. So when you reset this one back to close and this one back to open, contact, start again, this one close, magnetic M1 is energized, normally closed open contact is closed, and energized, motor on, M2 energized. When this normally open contact for M2, normally open, close also, M3 is energized and showing motor is on. So now all is running again. Motor number 2 is trip again, overload. This one here is open again, and this one here change to close contact, motor overload. This one, our motor, all motor stop, back to the energize all the power here. When you reset again, this one back to close contact, this one become to open, and this one, when you start again, same procedure. When this one here again, you stop again, overload again, this one here open, this one here is close, right? So now our control is ready for installation, right? Circuit, we need to put wire number. So this one, this emergency stop is put number 2, and output the stop button is put number 3, put wire number 3, all of this is wire number 3, wire number 3, and start button output is we need number 4, this number 4, all this number 4, number 4, right? And number M2 normally open here is number 5. This one here is open. Okay, is neutral. We're gonna put white wire. All of this neutral. Easy. Jumper. And this is neutral, and this is neutral, right? Now we are going to wiring now. Ready for wiring installation. Hindi na tayo magkakamali. We are not get mistake to wire now. Alright? To start wiring installation now. Our circuit breaker, we need line 1 put to emergency stop button. This is our emergency stop button. We need to connect wire number 1 here. So we need wire number 1, red one here. Alright. Line 1 down, going to stop button. Stop button here. Emergency stop button, going to stop button, wire number 2. This number 2, connect here to here. Alright. Emergency stop button, wire number 2 done. We'll connect to stop button. Stop button here. Alright. Okay, here done. Output stop button, wire number 3 going to start button. So we need 2 wire, 1 short wire, wire number 3, and long wire going to here. Stop button, output. Alright. And connect to start. Now connect one by one. And start button, connect to normally open M1 auxiliary contact. Auxiliary contact normally open is here. This is for our holding contact. So connect one here. Load. Okay, tight. And I need one jumper, wire number 3 going to normally close M1. To normally close is here. M1, we need jumper here only. So I connect together here. Connect together. Okay, and close M1 auxiliary contact. This one here. Alright, we're done here. Already, we're done. Another one here, normally close, going to yellow. Yellow light motor overload we can get from here because close to here. So we can get from stop button wire number 3. Here, yellow. Okay. It's our overload yellow. Alright. So if we will connect here is too far. Okay. So this yellow is close to in between of stop button and start button. So we get this short wire to here. Wire number 3. So we are close here. Okay. So we gonna connect this one here together. Okay, we are done here. This number 3 I connect there and start button. So tapos na tayo dito. Lahat ng number 3 done connection. Right? Next, we need wire number 4 from start button going to M1. Yeah, done. Start button connected. I need to connect M1 A1. M1 A1 here. But before I tie, I need one jumper wire load side of normally open M1 auxiliary contact. This is for our holding coil. I need short wire for here. We need short wire to jump to here. So wire number 4. Wire number 4 I put together to here. Alright. Connect here. We need wire here. This is for normally open here, our holding contact. Alright. Our holding contact is done. We need to run green light wire number 4. Because this one's close to start button wire number 4, we need this green light to here. Because our green light is here, close to start button. So we need this wire number 4 connect to here. Same circuit. Same circuit, this one number 4. So one number here, more closer to here. Green light to start button. Number 4. Right, green light one number 4 I connect already, and I'm going to connect to start button wire number 4 together. Alright, done. We are done here. Next one, M2 A1 connect to number 4. We connect here or there. So we can get here. We need M2. Or we can get here. Load side. Okay, I get here. This wire number 4, I connect here to M2. This is our auxiliary contact, normally open. Alright. I connect already line 4 here. Wire number 4 going to M2 A1. So this number 4 A1 here. We need wire number 4 going to M2 normally open. When this one energized, M3 run. So wire number 4 here. We need 2 wire. Right, done. I put 2 wire already here, and wire is I connect to normally open M2. This is our auxiliary contact. When this one energized, M3 energized. Alright, I connect here. This is our normally open. Alright, done. So we are connect already here, finito. Now I need to connect 5 wire, connect to M3. This is normally open here. Connect to M3 A1. This is our wire number 5 to magnetic contactor number 2, normally open, going to M3. Normally open here. Now, normally open, done. Connect to magnetic contactor number 3 to A1. A1 is there. This is our magnetic contactor here. Put there. We're gonna hide the wire. Then go in there. Alright. We are done here. Next one. Normally close. M1. Auxiliary contact going to red light. Number 6. This number 6 wire. Normally close. Number 6 to here. Okay. And connect to red light. Our red light here. Motor stop. Ganyan lang pag wiring. Slowly but surely. Pag may wire number, hindi kayo magkakamali. Okay? We are done here. All this side now we are done. So next, line 2 neutral. We need line 2 here. Alright, next. So we connect to 96, 95, 96, 95, 96, 95. So hide the wire here. Side. Make it nice. This is 96. Connect to 96. I will make together 96 to 98. So together, same time. 2 wire to 96, 1 short wire. Jumper to 98. For our overload. Right. So I connect 2 wire, 1 here and 1 there. This is for our overload, but stop here. We're going to finish this circuit first, but 96, output of 96 is 95 going to 96. So 95 here. This is our 95. So 95 going to 96. So 96 here. So we're done here. Output of 96 going to 95 here. To 96 here. 96. Alright. Going to 96. Now, ikinabit ko slowly, one by one, para makita nyo at masundan nyo. So, paano magkabit. At least para matutunan nyo. Alright? So, that means, connect already to 96 here. We are done here. Next one, 95. Connect to A2. Okay, here. This is 95 A2. A2 here. 95 done. A2 here. So we are done here. All this connection is done. I connect green light. Green light. Our green light, I connect neutral. Connect to 95 here. 95 here. Alright. So green light, I connect already to 95. We are done here. I need supply for A2. I will get from A1. So A2, M1, I need to connect here and to connect here. This one for A2, I connect to here. This A2 here. Alright, make it sure tight. Okay. I connect to M2. But I need one extra wire going to M3. I need one more neutral. M3, A2 here. And a little bit longer wire. Okay, this is good enough. I connect together. Connect together to M2, A2. Alright, make sure tight. Now, 2 wire M2, I connect one to M3, A2. So, our A2 here. I connect behind, put behind. Alright, we are done here. Next, this one here, red light, neutral. Connect to green light. Okay. Neutral done. Connect to green light, neutral. Because same circuit. But if I connect here too far, it's here. A2. So this one here, close here because same here. Ganyan lang pagkabit. Sa drawing malayo, pero dito kuha kayo sa isang circuit na malapit. Okay? Ganyan pag-wire. Alright? So, all this connection now is finito. Next one is yellow light, indicator light, motor overload, neutral going to here. Now we need to jumper this one now here. I connect to 97. So we need 97, 3 jumper. Okay? Okay, 97 yellow light. Okay, 97 connect to here, A1. So I need one wire connect to 98. 97 is here. Normally open overload, I need 2 wire because I need one here and I need one there. 97. Alright. Make sure tight. Going to 97. 97, I need extra wire to 97 in time. Ang purpose ng wire number, hindi kayo magkakamali. Hindi kayo magkakamali pag wire numbering. Okay? 2 wire done. I need 1 to 97 to M3. Okay, 97 here. Alright, now this our 96 here. This our 96 neutral wire here. I need to connect here. And I need jumper. We're done. Ready to go. Ganyan ang pag-connection yan para lang. Hindi pwedeng series. Okay, and then done. I connect to 98. I need 2 wire again. 1 to M1. 2 wire going here. Okay. 2 wire done. Connect to M1. 98. Alright. Our connection is done. Arrange the wire. Connection. Make it nice. This is our 3-phase supply for the motor breaker. Turn on. We have power already. This is our single phase only. Example. This is our M3 for example. When I turn on our single phase circuit breaker, red light on because the circuit is close to auxiliary contact M1, red light, motor stop. Right? You can see. See? Our circuit is on. Motor stop. Because our circuit now, we have a power close to here. Auxiliary contact M1. Indicator light stop. Because going to over there. This is start button. All of this start at the same time. That's why 3 motors that are same time controlled by one stop station. Okay, start, all of them is running. Okay? Same time. That's why this is automatic sequence control, because running with sequence, all M1, M2 is energized. That's why auxiliary contact used for automatic sequence. Right? So when you stop, all of them stop. Stop button, all the motor is stop. So one start station control every motors. Right? So start again. See, when you start, motor on, all this motor is running. Close contact, green light on, M2 running. With this M3 energized, normally open, is close contact, M3 is running. When the operator is emergency stop, all motor is stop also. And this emergency stop is used for automation machine. They will install this around the machine. They put the side, under, behind, beside, just in case something happened the machine and the operator is far away, you don't need to run away going to the front of the control panel. We gonna mount this one around the machine. And when you press this one here, you cannot press start button anymore. You cannot press anymore. This is the purpose for this. The automatic sequence control is used for automation, mostly automation in the machine. So before you gonna start, when you take out something problem inside the machine, then you go inside the machine, and then you turn this one here to release. Just turn, there is an arrow here, just turn, now release, motor stop. Our circuit now is until here, now here. So we have a circuit now, power, ready to start again. Then you start again. All machine continue operation again. We're gonna try our overload. If work, we will trip one by one, right? If one overload trip device, everything stop also. Okay? I will trip M1. So our M1, I will trip here, right? Okay, now I will trip. I use only one light because I jump all of this one. I parallel everyone overload normally open. So now this one here trip, this one is open. This one here is closed. That's why light on. When you reset, yellow light showing overload is disabled. Right? Now got this one back to normally close, and this one going to normally open again. So now you start again. Back to normal operation again. We're gonna check one by one. Our contactor is work good. So next one, M2 is overload. We will check. Our M2 is overload. Stop again. And then before you reset, when it stop, this one same. This one open. This one is close contact. Right? So you reset again. And then start again. So next one, our 96, this one here, we will trip again. We will trip again here. Again, motor overload. When this overload, the circuit is stop again. So 96 is open. Open, back to open contact. And this one change to close contact, and that one is open. Reset. The light is disabled and M1 is enabled, motor showing is stop. When you reset, now, when you reset, this 96 now overload back to close contact, and this one here back to normally open contact, and you can start the machine again. That's all, my friend. Our motor control connection is done. We make the circuit diagram and I show you how to connect one by one. And I hope you understand. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that next video you are updated. Alright? Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.